I'm going to show you how to make this real quick blackened salmon with pasta. And you could use basically any kind of pasta. You could use an orzo. I love using the orzo. The texture is nice. And usually I do make it with an orzo. But this time I'm going to go ahead and use these beautiful little bows. I think they're so cute. So I didn't rinse out my pasta. Basically let it cool on its own, as well as my salmon. And I started to fork it, so to make sure that it crumbles. Get another fork. I must have tossed it on the side. So basically that's what your blackened salmon looks like. It's nice, it's crispy, it's crunchy. All those seasonings got grilled. Yeah. And it's nice and pink on the inside. And it's so delicious that you can even eat the skin. I mean, it's delicious. So, it's just delightful. It's a really good salmon dish. Okay. Basically what I'm going to go ahead and char these little, actually not char them. Oh, they're so nice. The sweet peas. I'm telling you, I've had a long day. Very, very long day. So I'm going to go ahead and just a little bit of oil. And if they're previously frozen, just take a couple of handfuls there, and you just kind of want to cook them basically. Just saute them. Ah, heck, put them all in. I love peas. I love sweet peas. They're delicious. And then you need to think about how you want to present your actual salad. So I like doing the julienne. I just think it's nicer. And I just think it's nicer. The julienne, when you just julienne so what I'm going to do. And I like making like these little half circles. I think they're kind of cool. And then I think it looks nice. Gives it a little rustic. And then the arugula with that. Oh, yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Those onions. And then I'm going to take my tomatoes, cut them in half, put them in there. I know my slicing mechanics aren't so well right now, but. And then you just kind of want to slice those babies. And for those who are looking for work, don't get discouraged. I mean, it's hard to find a place in the kitchen at times, and sometimes you have to start from the bottom and work your way up. I have a lot of years of experience in my own kitchen, and then I do this to keep up my skills. Plus, I like cooking. I think it's just one of my favorite pastimes. So, okay, that should be enough tomatoes in there. Maybe I'll put a couple more. And you want to cut them in half so that the juices of the tomato kind of run through the pasta. Yeah, why not? Use them up, right? And since it's already seasoned, your pasta's already seasoned, your your pasta's already seasoned, and so is your salmon. So I'm just going to break it up just a little bit more. Okay. And you might want to take the skin out because a lot of people are really iffy about the skin. Not me, I'll eat it because it's good. And just kind of put that in there. And then I'll probably take some more of my salmon. Yeah, because I want to make sure I get plenty of salmon. I know my doggy's going to like that. He's old, so sometimes I give him little treats. And he likes that. Alrighty. I'm hoping he'll make it through at least a couple winters, but you never know. When they get old, they get really frail. So, and then I'm going to put some capers in there. And I like to kind of crunch them up a little bit. So I'm going to take these out. That's okay. Right, some of the brine came out with it. And these are organic. But yeah, starting to char a little bit. I can smell it, which is nice. Yeah, those capers are really nice. I put like plenty of lemon in my salmon because you don't want to overpower it with the lemon. Just kind of cut them up. Yeah. I just kind of chop them up a little bit. Put them in there. It's okay. You can kind of put in your peas in there. I love peas. Love sweet peas. Just kind of mix that up. Look at that. That's a nice salad. And with what goes with it, it would go well with a little bit of a vinaigrette. But try it first. Taste it. Because the oils that are in the fish will incorporate in the pasta. A little bit more here. So good. I'll tell you, it makes a great side dish. And then I'll probably put a little bit more of my, I just want to get a little bit more of that flavor of that salmon flavor. Put that in there. Okay. And there you have it. I think I want to put just a little bit more olive oil in there, extra virgin. And I'm going to use my Bavarian olive oil that I found. It was a local olive oil that I got, and it's got that little bit peppery. I'm just going to pour just a little bit of that in there. Just a little drizzle of that. And maybe just a little bit more lemon. Just a little. Yeah. And there you have it. Nice salad. You can serve on the side for your catering event. Oh yeah. Yum. going to add a little bit more spices to it. Seasonings. I like adding this 21 seasoning in there. Okay. You want to add a little bit of red pepper flakes, you can. I think this is good. I'm going to try one. Oh yeah. That's delicious. There you have it. And my blackened salmon pasta salad. Actually, pasta salad with blackened salmon. It's delicious. Okay, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed it. All right. Oh.